Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Skill Development Series. It is a series for developing skill on C program, JavaScript, SolidWorks, MS Word, MS Excel. And now I am focusing on C program series. Today I am going to show you how to download and install the latest version of Codeblocks released on March-April 2020. So viewers, let's start. At first you have to select a new browser of your PC. Then search for Codeblocks. Click on the first result. Click on downloads. And then you have several options. You have to select the first one, download the binary release. The main confusion arises here. The user cannot recognize which file should download. Here the user should download the fourth one, Codeblocks 20.03 MinGW setup.exe. To download this file, just click here. Your download will start shortly. Then save the file. It is a file of 145 MB. It will take some time, so let me finish the download. Viewers, my download has completed. Go to this PC, go to downloads and double click on Codeblocks. Yes. Click on next. Then I agree. Keep as default. Just click on next. Click install. The file will be installed. It will take around 5 to 7 minutes. No. Click next and then finish. Okay. Double click on Codeblocks. Okay. Viewers, let me tell about something that is not appear in the screen. Viewers, when you are the first timer, first time you install the Codeblocks, you will see a notification to select compiler. There you have to select the GNU GCC compiler and then just click OK. After that you will see this kind of screen. Okay. To create a new project, you have to select the create a new project and then select console application. Then select C, next, give a project title. Then click next and then finish. Click on sources and double click on main.c. Okay, this is the basic structure of any C program. Viewers, if this video helps you, then please like, comment and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Your satisfaction is my pleasure. Thanks for watching.